Peace rallies were taken out in all the 5 Naga-dominated districts of Chandel, Kamjong, Senapati, Tamenglong and Ukhrul today, organized by the United Naga Council, an apex body of Nagas in Manipur. The rallies showed their support for an early solution to the ongoing Naga talks between the Government of India and Naga groups led by National Socialist Council of Nagaland, UCN said. The Delhi police today arrested 10 people in connection with the violent protests in Jamia Nagar. None of them are students from Jamia Millia Islamia University. The people who have been arrested have a criminal background. Earlier in the day, the Delhi police lodged an FIR against 15 people for their alleged involvement in the protests that took place on Sunday. The United States has called upon authorities in India to protect and respect the right of people who are peacefully protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act. A State Department spokesperson urged authorities to protect and respect the right of peaceful assembly in a statement backing protests that has been spreading and have come under criticism for the use of excessive force by law enforcement personnel. A combined team of Imphal West Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested 2 cadres of proscribed People's Liberation Army (PLA). Imphal West Commando conducted a house-to-house search operation today at Thangweiban Yumnam Lekai near Assembly Complex under Lamphel Police Station. Around 120 people from 40 houses were verified during the operation, a report said. 109 Battalion CRPF Manipur and Nagaland sector organized a culinary fest cum medical camp at CRPF Camp Mongsangai today. The camp was organized under Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. Dustbins were installed in Moreh town today with an objective to maintain cleanliness in the area under the leadership of Autonomous District Council Chandel Chairman D. Ringo Lamka. The district administration of East Khasi Hills again relaxed the curfew in Shillong for 13 hours today. In view of the prevailing law and order situation, the district administration of East Khasi Hills has not completely lifted the curfew in Shillong, the state capital of Meghalaya. The Assam Gana Parishad yesterday filed 2 separate right petitions in the Supreme Court challenging the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Amendment Act. AGP General Secretary Ramendra Narayan Kalita filed a right petition on behalf of the party, and former Rajya Sabha MP of the party, Deepak Das, filed another right petition separately, a media report said. A viral WhatsApp forward is doing the round saying that ₹2,000 notes won't be allowed after 31st December 2019. The message sender claims that the Reserve Bank of India is withdrawing the highest cash denomination to reissue the 1,000 rupees note. A statement from RBI's Department of Communications states this as rumors and there has been no such notification by the RBI.